This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So, shooter template, live, great. We go to do some custom stuff, not settings, I'm sorry, design, custom CSS. And here is a piece of code that I've added. I will remove it, save. And here is a normal block, okay? Yeah, again, I hit F12 or function F12. It's up to the device you use and the settings you use. So I've opened the page. Okay, the page, I'm sorry, again. And then I just see the different components of my page, right? So I see this one. This one is exactly what we need because I see the margin stuff, right? And so for this, I just want it to be changed, and let's just find the. Okay, it's just the wrong one. This one is wrong as well. Let's say here we just add margin top. Does it work? Yeah, it works, which is great. Okay, so just reload the page. Let's try to find the right component again. So it's something like this. Yeah, I can just copy all the classes from here, or I'm just able to use. Yeah, yeah, I can use this piece of code. I can get all these elements because here is where option margin is applied. Okay, so I just get this elements, copy them to my custom CSS. Then simply just some really simple stuff. Okay, and after that, I don't know, like I would like to change the margin right to 0 pixels, important, and margin up, 200 pixels. You see this margin? It's great, fantastic. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can customize, you can change different margins, but please don't forget about this important property because otherwise um, the the custom code just won't work because the default settings, the default properties will be applied to your HTML and you want to get the expected result. So please don't forget about exclamation point important and just give it a try. You just need to fill it to find the right component of your HTML page. Just don't be afraid of it. It's really simple sometimes.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.